Hi friends, I'm your 14CS147. I'm going to explain the 10th experiment of compiler and lab, and this is about the intermediate code generation. And this program I'm going to explain the generation of an 3 address code. So at first I'm going to declare a character array, that is a multidimensional array, two-dimensional array of precedence. In that I'm giving the precedence for addition and subtraction as 2, and precedence for division and multiplication as 1, since division and multiplication has the higher precedence. And then we are going to create a function for check precedence. Here we are going to check the precedence. Character token equal to character at the precedence array, and for int I equal to 0 and I less than length of the precedence, that is the complete precedence, that is the complete expression we are going to give till that end. If token equal to precedence of I of 0, then we are going to return precedence I of 1 plus, and else we are going to return minus 1. And then next, in the main function, int I comma j comma, we are going to declare I, j and op count as integer value, character token as a character, check process and boolean array, and operator as an string. And for string we are going to declare two other strings named as temporary, temp, and the expression that is marked as empty. So using buffered reader in, we are going to get the expression, we are going to read the expression in, and we are going to print the expression, and we are going to read the expression, and we are going to check the expression using check process equal to new boolean of expression dot length. The complete expression is scanned through, and for I equal to 0 and I less than check process dot length, we are going to check whether check process of I equal to false till the I is incremented till check process dot length. And after that, for I equal to 0, I less than expression dot length, we are giving the token as expression dot character at I. So each character I at I is inputted into token. And for j equal to 0 and j less than precedence dot length, if token equal to precedence of j of 0, we are getting different token, and when the token equal to precedence j of 0, operator does op count and 0, it is in array and equal to token plus space, and operators op count and 1 is I plus space, and op count is incremented, and break. Then for I equal to op count minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. For j equal to 0 and j less than I and j plus plus, we are going to check the precedence of operator. If the precedence of operator j and 0 is greater than the precedence operator j plus 1 and 0, then we are going to make that temporary equal to operator of j of 0. We are assigning the values 1 by 1 to the temporary, and after that j of 0 is freed, and then j plus 1 of 0 is assigned to j of 0. Similarly, different assignment for different temporary operator is take. And now we are going to print this intermediate code. For that, for I equal to 0, I less than op count I plus plus, j equal to integer dot parseInt, operator I and 1, and we are going to declare two strings, operator 1 and operator 2. Now we are going to check the process of j minus 1. If it is equal to true, then we are going to check the precedence of operator I minus 1 and 0, and if it is equal to the precedence of operator I of 0, then operator 1 equal to t plus I. So the first intermediate code is generated. Else for int x equal to 0, x less than op count x plus plus, if j minus 2 equal to integer dot parseInt operator x 1, then operator 1 equal to t plus x plus 1. And else if operator 1 equal to expression dot character at j minus 1, and if check process of j plus 1 is true, then similarly for int x equal to 0, in x less than op count x plus plus, j plus 2 equal to integer dot parseInt operator x of 1, Then operator t equal 2 equal to t plus x plus 1 and space. Else operator 2 equal to expression dot character at j plus 1. And we are going using system.println, we are going to print all those operators. And now the check process of j plus 1 and j minus 1 are equal and are equal to true. Now we can check the output. We have to enter an expression. So a plus b star c minus n divided by n. So the intermediate code is generated according to the precedence. At first, both multiplication and division are having the same precedence. From left, multiplication is done first. T1 equal to b star c, T2 equal to n modulus of m. So T3 equal to a plus T1 and T4 equal to T3 minus T2. By this, the 10th experiment is explained. Thank you for watching.